Hello everyone, this is Drew of Drew Drives at Grubbs Family of Dealerships, and today let's go for a drive in the 2019 Honda Civic Sport. This vehicle has a CVT transmission with a 1.5 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder and 175 horsepower or 174 horsepower. Don't remember the exact number. You have the red gauges with the Sport and the red screen as well. Backup camera. Here's the interior trim. Economy mode if you want to have better fuel economy. Brake hold, and here's your parking brake. Cup holders. You have 3 cup holders right there and a little armrest. Cloth seats, no heated seats. This one is finished in rally red. It's a bright red color. It's not metallic, it's a flat red. And you have a little sport badge in the back. Here's the trunks. Here's the all-weather cargo mat. You also have the sporty looking foot pedals in the Sport. Metal accelerator and brake pedals. So I mean, the Civic is a very popular car for many people for commuting. It's been a very popular car for a long time. Civics are pretty reliable. All you have to do is just take care of them. This one has 94,000 miles roughly and still in great shape. Well, honestly, yeah, even with the horsepower number not being that high and having a CVT, it's actually quicker than I thought it would be. I mean, most people buying a Civic don't really, unless if you get a Civic Type R or an SI or looking for an enthusiast driving experience. Most people just buy most Civics are just used by, it's just a point of transportation, point A to point B kind of thing, right? So yeah, this car, it's a great commuter car. It gets great fuel economy. And yeah, I'm a bit surprised with its acceleration. I thought it would be way slower than that. There is no lumbar adjustment on the seat. I mean, it is cloth, but the seat is pretty comfortable too. You do have shift paddles. And yeah, with the CVT, it mimics gear shifts. Even when you pull, you have paddle shifters, but yeah, it's just mimicking gear shifts. It's not really a real gear shift. But yeah, handling's pretty good too. And I think the Civic Sport hatchback will give 180 horsepower, a little bit more horsepower. I'm not sure if the Civic Sport comes with a manual transmission. I think it does. I remember driving one with a manual. Yeah, I think this comes with a manual. The hatchback does too. So if you want more fun driving experience, you can get the manual transmission in this vehicle. And I'm pretty sure this does have Apple CarPlay with the smartphone connection. Yeah, you just have to plug in your phone and then you can turn on your CarPlay. My overall pretty smooth driving experience. Handling is decent. And it says average fuel economy in this one. I'm not sure what the trip was, but 34 miles per gallon. If you're on the highway, I'm pretty sure you can get like 40 miles per gallon, considering it's a turbocharged 4-cylinder, right? And that was full throttle right there. Yeah, this is definitely a great daily driving vehicle if you have a long commute. And it looks pretty good too. I like the wheels on the Honda Civic Sport. You go to climate, you can adjust the AC right there. Adjust fan speed and stuff. You get a yellow light like that, you can get some acceleration and go ahead, which is good. So yeah, main takeaway from this is I'm pretty impressed with the, what do you call, acceleration in this for its power. It's pretty good, and it's a good daily driving vehicle. But anyways, that is about it. Thank you for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for cool pre-owned vehicles.